What's up everyone, it's Mr. Fantastic here, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is getting so much exciting and I've got a bunch of leaks on it. So in this video I'm going to talk about Corning making the ultra thin glass, improvements in the structure, the new display leaks of the Z Fold 3, the massive price cut, the release date of them, and much more, so make sure you stick till the end. First off, let's talk about the Z Flip 3's display. So according to Ross Young, there is a design win by Corning on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So apparently, Corning will share the ultra-thin glass business on the Z Flip 3 with Scott, and Corning's ultra-thin glass will be processed by Econi, which is a Korean supplier who will perform the glass thinning, chemical strengthening, and all that kind of stuff. And there's also a structural change on the Z Flip 3's display film stack, increasing the overall display stack thickness by a whopping 8%, so the Z Flip 3 is now thicker below the panel than above the panel. So that means the Z Flip 3 is going to be a whole lot durable than last year, which is definitely a big win. And according to Ice Universe, the bezels on it are going to be lesser than 3.8mm, which is just spectacular. It is going to be almost edge to edge. And of course, we will also have a curved display on it that will show simple notifications, time, incoming calls, and a couple more features. And it is said to be 2 times larger than the Z Flip. As for the battery size, it is suspected to be still 3300 mAh. I hope Samsung optimizes it well because the 120Hz refresh rate on it will annihilate the small battery. As for the colors of it, there are 4 colors: light violet, green, beige, and black. And as we saw from the leaks, they all will have a black bar at the top and they'll look like the Pixel 2. Talking about the Z Fold 3, we have some confirmations of it too, and also it will introduce a number of industries first, like it will be the first foldable display with an under display camera, the first foldable display that will replace the circular polarizer with a color filter to reduce the thickness, increase the brightness, and lower the power. And it will also be the first foldable display with ultra thin glass to have stylus input. Plus, the display film stack on the Z Fold 3 is nearly 40% thicker than the Z Fold 2 even after the removal of the circular polarizer, and it is because of the addition of the relatively thick digitizer, and it also includes a shatterproof layer under the ultra-thin glass, and it also has a carbon reinforced polymer layer to increase the strength below the panel. And all of this is of course done so that the display is safe to use with a stylus, and it will reportedly support a hybrid S Pen, which is interesting, so let's see how it be like. Talking about the cameras on both devices, unfortunately we aren't going to see an improvement. We will still have a triple 12 megapixel setup on the Z Fold 3 and a dual 12 megapixel setup on the Z Flip 3. As for the chipset, I expect that it will be the Snapdragon 888 Plus, since it is going to launch pretty soon, and yes, it is going to be Snapdragon worldwide. There will be no Exynos chip with the foldable phones. Also, we have a massive leak regarding their price, and it is confirmed by many sources that they will be 20% cheaper, making it a lot more affordable. The Z Flip 3 is expected to cost around $1,000 and the Z Fold 3 will cost around $1,600, which is amazing, and I'm glad that Samsung has taken this step and dropped the price. It will surely bring a lot more users into the foldable market. As for the launch date, Samsung will unveil these products on August 3rd. It was reported that the actual unpacked date would be considered on the second half of the first week or the second week rather than the third. So expect them to launch it around August 27th. And Samsung will unveil a bunch of new products at the event too. And the products that will be launched at the unpacked event will be the Galaxy Z Fold 3, the Galaxy Z Flip 3, the Galaxy Watch 4, and the Galaxy Buds 2. So yeah, it is very exciting. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about it. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll link all the sources where I got this info from in the description down below. Drop a like on this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe with that bell icon. I bring regular videos just like this one, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, be fantastic.